Welcome to this new video. Today we will talk about how to sell Bitcoin. 5 ways to cash out your BTC holdings. Sell Bitcoin is one of the first questions that arise when people become interested in buying cryptocurrencies, since getting your money out is just as important as investing. Selling Bitcoin, BTC, can be similar to buying Bitcoin, except in a somewhat reversed process. To sell BTC, you must first have BTC on hand in your wallet. When you are ready to sell some or all of your Bitcoin, you can do so through a variety of avenues, including an online cryptocurrency exchange, direct peer-to-peer, P2P, transactions online or on-site, and through a Bitcoin ATM. Cryptocurrency exchanges. Despite having several disadvantages, exchanges are a one-stop solution when it comes to trading Bitcoin. In the case of selling the cryptocurrency, exchanges act as an intermediary, holding sellers' and buyers' funds. To use a crypto exchange, you must set up an account with the platform of your choice. Many reputable exchanges require identity verification. Connecting a bank account is necessary for withdrawing cash. Be mindful of exchange restrictions based on your country, however. Some exchanges ban participation from certain regions. Once you have an account on an exchange and have transferred your Bitcoin to that exchange, or if you already have an account with Bitcoin held in it, simply place a sell order, stating the type of currency you wish to trade, its amount, and your asking price per unit. The exchange will automatically complete the transaction once someone matches your offer. After the funds are credited to your account, you will need to withdraw them to your connected bank account. This can sometimes take an excessive amount of time, especially if the exchange is experiencing issues with its banks or facing liquidity problems. Several months before its bankruptcy, the Mt. Gox exchange experienced this exact problem. Moreover, some banks just outright refuse to process transactions with funds obtained via cryptocurrency trading. It is also important to be mindful of any withdrawal fees that may come into play on your platform of choice. Finally, it is important to remember that despite offering wallet services, exchanges are by no means a secure, reliable place to store your funds. Another roundabout method of selling your BTC using the services provided by a cryptocurrency exchange is by spending it via one of the many crypto-focused payment cards on the market. Direct trades, person to person. Another way of selling your Bitcoin is via direct trade with another entity, either online or in person. There are several ways to achieve this, either by setting up a direct meeting to sell Bitcoin in person or by performing the transaction online through a specialized platform. Online P2P selling. With online P2P Bitcoin sales, several specialized platforms, and even products from reputable cryptocurrency exchanges, exist to facilitate such transactions. In one way or another, these platforms essentially make it possible to trade Bitcoin for cash, or vice versa, with another party online. In general, Bitcoin buyers post listings on these platforms, noting their desired price, their preferred payment option, etc. Interested parties then find listings they like and complete the sale by following the instructions provided by the platform. Face-to-face transactions. Selling Bitcoin P2P at an in-person location is also a possible method. Some online platforms facilitate selling BTC in person for cash, while parties may also simply choose to meet up with friends or family on their own and sell Bitcoin for cash. Selling Bitcoin in person requires you to understand how to send Bitcoin and work with a crypto wallet, or the platform on which you hold your funds, such as if you hold your funds on an exchange, for example. Bitcoin's value constantly fluctuates, so it's important to know its price at the time of an in-person sale. Most traders use rates from prominent exchanges. Alternatively, services such as Cointelegraph's Bitcoin Price Index can be used to identify the latest price of the crypto asset. If you organize an in-person Bitcoin sale with a stranger, whether via platform or otherwise, it is important to exercise caution. Bitcoin ATMs. Despite looking like traditional cash machines, Bitcoin ATMs are not ATMs in the traditional sense. Instead of connecting to the user's bank account, they are connected to the internet to facilitate Bitcoin transactions. At their simplest, Bitcoin ATMs let you scan a wallet QR code and then sell BTC for cash. Bitcoin ATMs are located all over the world, and their locations can be easily found on the internet. However, they usually charge high transaction fees when compared with other methods. In addition, not every Bitcoin ATM offers both buy and sell functionality. which is important to keep in mind when looking for a Bitcoin ATM at which to sell BTC. After your identity is verified, you are given a QR code with a wallet address to which you need to send your Bitcoin. Depending on the machine you're using, you will either get cash out of the machine immediately or you will receive a redemption code and will need to wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the Bitcoin blockchain. Withdrawing funds. A common way to move Bitcoin into cash is through withdrawing the cash to a bank account via a wire transfer or automated clearinghouse (ACH) transfer after selling your BTC on a crypto exchange. Alternatively, money can be transferred via the Single Euro Payments Area, or SEPA, which services the transfers in the euro. It is a system designed to make international transfers between members of the European Union more efficient. Some European cryptocurrency exchanges accept this way of transferring. Both of these systems are far from perfect, however. Transfers can take a long time, depending on the country and the amount of money being transferred, and processing can take days. For example, some banks may charge a fixed fee for a SEPA payment, which could rise depending on how quickly you want the transfer to take place. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to approach the world of crypto, I suggest you go to the channel, subscribe and comment. Have a nice day.